Hi everyone, this is Shelly Rugnone at Turnkey Technologies, reviewing some Dynamics GP tips and tricks. Specifically, we will review how to change the posting type on an account after you close the year. The posting type determines how the account balance will be treated during the year-end close process in General Ledger. Balance sheet accounts will be rolled forward to the next year, and profit and loss accounts will be rolled into retained earnings. In this example, I have an account that was closed with a posting type of profit and loss, when it should have been a balance sheet. I will now need to reverse the historical year, change the posting type, and reclose the year. This functionality was added in GP 2013 R2 and greater. Let's go ahead and walk through those steps together. So on the navigation pane, you want to click Financial, and then under Routines, we're going to go to Year-End Closing. We're going to reverse historical year. I'm going to reopen 2024, click Process. I do have a backup, so we're good to go to click Continue here. You can close out of this window now. It's completed. Yes, it is recommended that you do run Reconcile after you reverse historical year, and you want to do that in all open years. Go ahead and click OK to that. And then from there, we're going to go under Cards, Financial, and Account. We're going to pull up my cash account that had the wrong posting type of profit and loss and change that to balance sheet. Click Save. From here, we're going to go back into the year-end closing window and reclose that year. I'm going to print our year-end closing report, save it for our records, and then voila, the process is complete. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? I hope you found this video helpful. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.